Lord. People will speak of you as the ministers of our God. Man of God, minister of God, woman of God. You will eat the wealth of the nations, and you will boast of their riches. Is there more? Is that it? That's it. You will eat the wealth of the nations. You will know if this verse was for you tonight, without me elaborating or saying any more. You will say, I know, this is for me. God gave me this verse, so I know it's for some, more than one, but for people here. Again, I'm inviting you to come into the ring, and we will continue to pray as the worship team lead us in worship. If that is you, in this verse, come quickly, because the time is going now.